Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add cookies to your site in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you just click here on this hamburger menu on the left side, then just click Sites, and then just rename favicon export, and you're gonna see here cookies alert enable. Nice, text. Okay, save. So this is how you can easily add cookie. This is it, and you can also add GDPR compliant. It's also really the same thing and it's the same style. Just enable it and you got it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Thank you. Have a great day and see you. Goodbye.